lost over here. I'm scared. Hi guys. So today, oh, let me turn this down. Today, me and my kids are trying Korean hot dogs. Wait, it's not just hot dogs, right?
No.
It's Korean corn dogs and I think it's.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're going to a place in our city called K-Bop. K-Pop.
K-Bop.
I don't know why you want to call it K-Bob. K-Bop Korean Kitchen. So, we're going to take you guys along and get our reactions to our first Korean corn dog. So, should be fun. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Khalil, yeah. Are you excited?
Summer clothes and like I should just wear regular clothes.
You got on regular clothes.
I mean just like long pants and stuff, like what I usually wear.
Do you mean summertime? So imagine we had school tomorrow. We'd be mad.
I don't like matcha and then I don't really
sugar.
And I don't
He didn't get much.
How we do this?
Wait, Kyrie, you gonna there you go. Stick it with this. Wait, that might be the wrong hole.
Mine's just
right
going
here.
to the back rooms. My heart thing is going to the back rooms.
Just don't swallow it up.
It's right here.
And then I have matcha.
That was Kyrie.
Is it good? Yay or nay? Clearly you straight, bro? Yeah. All you have to do is the pointy end right here. Yes. Why are you making it complicated? My matcha. So we're recording now.
I think the strawberry and the mango.
Is it good?
Something like strawberry.
Mmm. Oh my god.
It's literally just, ooh, is that my ramen?
No.
Dumplings. These dumplings look nice and crispy too, huh?
The plating is nice too.
Wait, we ain't gonna say our blessing?
Yeah.
We got to say our grace first, child. Bless this food, Lord, which I'm about to receive for nourishment of our body, my son, Jesus' name we pray, amen. I got more because I got the actual side. You got the ones that just came with the meal or whatever. It's good, ain't it?
Mango too good.
Yours is really good? It smells good.
I want one of yours. I want one.
It's perfect.
You got a whole ramen thing.
Okay, you want to try my mango?
This is literally all I ordered right here. We don't have any silver. I don't want to wait anymore.
I think these butter balls are too good.
Tapioca balls.
Boba.
Beef dumplings.
Dumplings are too good.
Yeah.
It really tastes that brown sugar.
You don't want to stir it up?
I've always wanted to do
Go ahead. Khalil, ramen. Let's get your first bite. Look at that one little noodle.
Yeah, I know. It's just one
Is
noodle.
it good?
It's good.
Yes. None of this. Why don't you want to try it? What's wrong with it? Oh my god, bro.
Cheese looks like mustard. You're being picky.
This is so good. It almost tastes sweet. Which are literally so good. Even it's not. It tastes sweet.
I love that it comes in a pot.
Looks just like those ads.
Oh god. Oh my god. That is so good.
It's like a huge mozzarella stick.
I don't know what you're missing. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I don't know, I think I've been doing pretty good keeping up my vlog consistency. But anywho, today is a Saturday and I am about to run into Aldi's to finally get some fruits and vegetables because I have yet to do so. It's probably jam-packed in there because it's a Saturday. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And then I'm gonna head to Costco and then go to Publix to pick up like my actual groceries. I mean, it's still kind of early. It just hit like 10 o'clock. I've been outside cutting the grass all day. Well, the backyard. I cut the backyard. I'm in Florida and we're currently in a heat wave. Excuse me, we're currently in a heat wave right now. So I got up at like 7 o'clock. Actually, I got up at like 6:30, and by 7 o'clock I was already in the backyard working on the grass and everything, and I was about to die then. It was like 88 degrees at 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't like this angle at all, but I have to prop the camera up somewhere so that I can eat my food because I stopped by Dunkin' and got me a cold brew. It's hitting. And then I got oh, there they go. I got these everything little bites. Hold on, let me see. Then I got these everything little bites, and yeah. It's my first time eating this morning. But yeah, I probably won't record inside of Aldi's because there's literally a million people in there. It's like a crew of people walking in right now as we speak. It's a lot. So wow, I don't even think they have carts left. Wow, there's not even carts left. I should come back on another day. But yeah, Costco probably the same. Jam-packed. Alright y'all, I'm gonna finish my food. I just wanna hop on, say hey. Yeah, tell y'all the plans for today. Alright, well, I'm back home. It's like 200 degrees outside. Look at all this stuff I have to put away. It's a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff put up and taken care of. I went to Aldi's, I went to Costco, I went to Publix, so I got a lot done. So now it's time to put all this mess away so that we can relax. So that's what I'm about to do now. Oh, why is it not focusing? Hi guys, so today is yard work day. Let me get where I can get some light. Today is yard work day and I am going to attempt to cut the bushes. Yesterday I cut my backyard grass. I tried to cut the front today, but it drizzled, it rained a little bit. The grass is still just a little bit moist, so I'm gonna wait until it dries out completely. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and try to trim these bushes because they are hella overgrown, and I will show you guys in a minute. But because our bushes are extremely tall, I ordered this new thing on Amazon. And it is, hold on, let me turn the camera. It is a hedge trimmer with an extension pole. So what we have is just this part, which I used to get what I could. But this one comes with all this extended reach thing so that I can get the top of our bushes, which will make more sense once I show you the bushes.
Alright. Where'd you get it? Bought it for your football game. No, I mean, where'd you get that? I wanted the garage. Garage? You didn't know we had them?
Oh, it was
at the car, like where?
It used to be in the back. Alright. Let's plug this in and see what it does. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared to use this. Or is it already? Oh. I don't know how to extend it. Okay, let me go get the manual. Extend. Eek. Yeah, but it looked like it's already open. Whew. Hey y'all, so today is Saturday. I just got through doing my nails. Look at that. I used a new dip powder from Amazon, but I recorded a whole video on it. So, and just excuse how I look because it's Saturday and we ain't got no plans to go nowhere. But anyway, this big old package just showed up at the house. Something that my husband ordered. I'm thinking it's the sound bar. He ordered a sound bar off of Amazon. But if it is, we are going to hook it up and have a movie night tonight. Right, Khalil?
Yeah.
We're going to have movie nights if this is what I think it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and we're going to try to hook it up. Oh, dang, my battery about to die. Crap. That's not good. This cookies ain't nothing but chocolate. I know. Each piece got like 50 million chocolate chips in it. So it definitely is a sound bar. Ugh. Oh no, my nail. A sound bar. My nail is still wet. I'm trying so hard not to do this with both my hands.